Well, the hamper is overflowed. We're gonna have to do like 5 more loads. Summers are so messy, plus it's raining. We need to get the kids outside. She rolled through a puddle on a big bike ride. Her shirt looks like a Jackson Pollock painting. So, how'd he get coffee on the back of his shirt? How'd the inside of his pants full of dirt? What in the heck is this big brown thing? So confused, can't help but sing. Oh, mystery stain. What even is this? Yeah, I'm not even sure what it contains. Come on, tell me, baby. Is this juice or nacho cheese? Is it grass or is it peas? Oh, mystery stain. Alright, we're gonna show you why a washer is made for this. But because we're all getting paid for this, there's a lawyer with this disclaimer we need to read now. Here we go. This video was sponsored by Maytag. Hold the content and opinions of that of the Holderness family. That good? Okay. You can leave now. Look at how all the stains disappear. Heavy duty cycle and extra power here. Gonna get rid of that dirt and grime. Now it is a cappella time. Oh, mystery stains. Yeah. I don't know what it is, and it's driving me insane. A washer we can depend on to fight those stains until they're gone. Oh, mystery stains.
Here, underwear.
Ah, no!
It went behind it. Aww.
Woo!
One take, first take.